Pan-Seared Tandoori creamy texture chicken breast, a healthy meal, budget friendly meal. This is the awesome meal you can make under 15 to 20 minutes of your time. Chicken breast and some steamed vegetables with that.
Mair born hungry is delicious.
I have 4 pounds of the chicken breast. First thing first, we will take it out from the packet. We will give it a quick rinse. Then we will have some cuts on the meat. 3 fillets of the chicken breast. It cost me $8. The steamed vegetable bag cost me around $3. Wow. This is the whole breast. Let's have some cuts on it. Cut it approximately about 75%. Don't cut it all the way through, so they stay intact, just like that, and the marinade gets into the deep cuts. That's the whole trick. This is the cut from the other side. If you have a meat smasher, you can just smash it. So this will be our delicious chicken breast. Same thing, 75% cuts, and then 75% cuts. Imagine this will be the whole chunk. This will be the breast. Let me give you easy, simple ingredients. You don't have to have 20 ingredients for this recipe. Ground allspice. This is 5 seasoning powder. It has cinnamon, cardamom, cumin, coriander, and black cardamom. 4 pounds of the meat. 2 tablespoons of the ground spice. Then you need smoky paprika. Smoky paprika, 1 to 2 tablespoons. I'm adding just 1. You can add 2 in there if you want. 1 whole tablespoon of the regular table salt. Do add some red food color. This is optional. If you want to add it, add it. If you don't want to, it's okay. Smoky paprika will give natural reddish color. 1/4 tablespoon of the red food color. All dry spices are done. Let's add the liquid marinade now for this. So for that, plain yogurt. 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons of the yogurt. It will give the creamy texture. Grab the blender juicer. 10 cloves of fresh garlic. Take fresh ginger. Grab whole block of it and add it in here. If you want to know the quantity, add at least 30 grams of fresh ginger. It's cleaned, it's rinsed, so I'm not even removing the skin from it. For the tangy flavor, add white distilled vinegar, or you can do lemon. Count, add at least 4 to 5 tablespoons of the white distilled vinegar. And for the extra kick, take green chilies, and we have to blend these green chilies in here. Olive oil, 1 whole baking cup of it. Let's blend this delicious liquid marinade. So this is the marinade for our delicious pan-seared creamy chicken breast, tandoori style. This marinade goes all on top. Here's the moment of truth. Just mix everything up. Look at this texture. This how creamy this delicious chicken tandoori breast looks. The flame should be on the medium, at least 350 degrees. And here you go. Let's add face down like this in here. This is the other one. Oh my god, I'm smelling the cumin, I'm smelling the clove. This is all 5 seasoning powder. And this is the third. All 3 breasts are in here. Do one more magic. Grab all this marinade, put it on top. It's gonna get cooked 350 degrees. You will cook 6 minutes each side. So this is the initial 6 minutes face down, pan in a pot, and I put the marinade. Wow, we made it. 6 minutes, cook it like this. Don't move, don't do nothing to it. Have a time clock, mark it 6 minutes, 350 degrees in the pan. Leave it like 6 minutes later, we're gonna have a perfect extra char on the chicken breast. Let's flip this. Look at this. Look at this. Yum. And here you go. Beautiful charred pan-seared chicken breast, tandoori style. So this is a perfect example of pan-seared tandoori style chicken breast. Look at this char, look at this texture. This is perfect. Keep it on 350 degrees for at least 6 to 7 minutes now. 4 more minutes to go for our delicious pan-seared tandoori style chicken breast. Right, let's grab our steam bag, mix vegetables, put in microwave. It says 4 to 5 minutes. Let's just put it in the microwave just like this for 4 minutes. 2 more minutes to go. You know what we will do? We will do a temperature check. If the chicken breast temperature is above 165, my friend, it's gonna be ready. So let's get into the chicken breast. Here you go. Let's put it in the side. Let's see if it reaches 165. Don't go all the way in the deep, you know, so we are not touching the pan surface. Yes sir, it's ready. Let's check this guy. This is more thicker. Let's add this. Okay, let's add this into the meat. And look at this, above 175. Look at this. This is the thickest one. Let's add this. And yes, they all are ready. Turn the stove off. You have to make sure your chicken breast temperature is good, then it's gonna be healthy and safe for you to consume it. Just make sure your temperature is right. Stove is off. Our vegetables will be ready in another minute. So here you go. Let's take this guy out. This is the back side, charred. This is the front side, creamy. And let's add it right here. This is the other guy. Easy, super healthy from the back side and the front side. Tandoori style charred. Here you go. The second. And the last. 4 pounds of the healthy chicken breast protein. And here you go. The third. All deliciously done. Look at this. Very simple ingredients. Just make sure you get smoky paprika. Make sure you get the all ground spice. This is the taste test. Oh my god, this flavorful chicken breast, this whole meal, 15 to 20 minutes of your time, protein packed whole meal because you have vegetables. Wonderful, budget friendly, easy to make at home in 15 to 20 minutes of your time. And best part, $15 to $20 will cost you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. Monday, Wednesday, Fridays are our content days. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you know when I post a video, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then,
Mair born hungry is delicious.
look at this.
Delicious. Delicious.